This is lesson 3, Python syntax of the Python tutorial. So, Python syntax. Execute Python syntax. As we learned in the previous lesson, Python syntax can be executed by writing directly into the command line. You can print this here. Or by creating a Python file on the server using the .py file extension and running it in the command line here. Python indentation. Indentation refers to the spaces at the beginning of a code line, where in other programming languages the indentation in code for readability only. The indentation in Python is very important. Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code. For example, here. Python will give you an error if you skip the indentation, like so. The number of spaces is up to you as a programmer, but it has to be at least one, for example. You have to use the same number of spaces in the same block of code, otherwise Python will give you an error, like so. Python variables. In Python, variables are created when you assign a value to it. For example, Python has no command for declaring a variable. You will learn about variables in the Python variables chapter. Comments. Python has commenting a capability for the purpose of in-code documentation. Python starts with a hashtag, and Python will render the rest of the line as a comment. For example, here. You can test yourself with exercises on the W3 School website. That's it for today. Stay tuned for the next lesson, which is Python comments. Bye!